All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can delegate your Beam nodes in a simple step-by-step guide. So if you bought Beam nodes at the pre-sale or if you're buying Beam nodes right now, this video is gonna show you how to do it step by step. And look, in this video, I'm not gonna be talking about Beam or the token. I'm just gonna show you how to delegate. We have our own node you can delegate to and actually support the CryptoFactor. And just know that I am extremely bullish on Beam and Beam nodes. I think it's gonna be one of the best long-term node projects out there. Of course, I could be wrong, but that's what I do believe. And if you wanna watch Beam videos, I'll leave links in the description down below, as well as all the links you need for this video to work. And with that said, let's get straight to it. All right, so first of all, what you're gonna actually need to do is claim your node. So if you bought Beam nodes in the pre-sale, you need to come to this page over here. As you can see, I have 3 nodes in my balance over here, and we're gonna delegate them. We're gonna go claim them, and then we're gonna delegate them. So we're gonna go to claim over here. And as you can see, this is the claim button. Now, before I do this, you have to understand that I'm going to need to have a Beam chain in my wallet with a little bit of Beam for the transaction. And if you don't have any Beam, don't worry. I'm actually gonna show you how to do that as well and bridge over. We're gonna be using MetaMask, but you can do this with other wallets, of course. So let me show you what I mean here. See, if I click claim, my MetaMask will pop up and you will see I don't have enough Beam in my wallet to be able to claim the transaction fees over here. And you don't need a lot, but you need just a tad. This is less than a cent, I believe. And by the way, the Beam network should show up and add itself to your wallet up here. If not, I'm gonna show you how to do it manually, but I don't think we're gonna need to do that. So what we're gonna do is come to this bridge page over here, which is bridge.onbeam.com/bridge. Again, I'll leave the link in the description down below. Now, whatever you do not bridge Ethereum on Ethereum over to Ethereum on Beam, for example. You more than likely will lose your Ethereum, either temporarily or even permanently, because Ethereum is not available on Beam chain yet. I learned this the hard way. So better to swap into Beam first and then use the bridge. Let me show you what I mean. Now, the easiest way to do this is to use Uniswap or CowSwap or something, or even swap internally inside your wallet. So if you're using MetaMask, you can actually swap over here from Ethereum or whatever token you want into Beam. Now, I've already done that, but you would enter the amount you want up here. It will give you a quote and you just click accept. But I've already done this. So now if we go to bridge over here, we can click Beam on Ethereum and go to Beam on Beam. Does that make sense? I'm gonna use the maximum amount and I'm gonna click transfer. I'm going to approve, and then we're just gonna have to wait a little bit. And then we're gonna confirm once more, close extension here. Transaction is submitted, and now we just wait. And while we wait, let's sing a song. Subscribe to the CryptoFactor, he is the best of the rest. When you put him to the test. Okay, fine. I'll just pause the video and I'll be right back. All right, so now you see that's complete over here. And if we go to our wallet and we go to Beam chain, you will now see we have the Beam that we bridged over. Again, do not use Ethereum or any other token. You will lose that temporarily or even permanently. Okay, let's continue. So now that we have our Beam tokens on Beam, we can actually claim our Beam nodes over here. Again, all links are in the description down below. We click confirm, and then we can go to the node delegation dashboard by clicking either down here or by going to delegation.beam.com, also in the description down below. We connect our wallet, and now you can see I have 3 nodes over here. So keep in mind that when you claim your nodes, they may not show up initially, but they will, okay? So don't worry, just go to the node delegation page like we did. So now you want to delegate to one of these validators over here. Now, if you want to support me, if you want to support the CryptoFactor, we actually have our own node. We are running our own node that you can delegate to. I actually teamed up with Frederick from our group. He's in IT, he has a full setup. He's doing the tech side of things, and I'm delegating my nodes, and our group are delegating our nodes to that node. So please feel free to do that. I would really appreciate it. Of course, if something goes wrong, Frederick's to blame. Just kidding, nothing will go wrong, but keep that in mind. So please delegate to us. Let me show you how you can find us. Now in the future, you're gonna have tags and these will be named over here, but you can't do that yet. So once that's available, I'm gonna link that in the description down below. But for now, I'm gonna link our code in the description down below. So you're gonna copy that, you're gonna come down here and click more. You're gonna have to do this a couple of times so they all show up. And then click Control F on your keyboard. Now, if you're on Chrome, it will show up on the top right corner. If you're on Firefox like I am, it will show down at the bottom. So you have the search bar over here and you click Control V or basically paste, and you will find our node right here. You select this node and you stake your node tokens over here. Now, as you can see, I have 3 nodes, so I'm gonna have to do this 3 times. Accept this and stake node token. Confirm, confirm again, and there you go. So if I come up here, you will see that I'm now delegated 1 node and I have 2 available. So let's stake another one over here. Now I have 2 left and I have 1 more, so let's just do that real quick. Congratulations, you have now dedicated your Beam node to the Beam network, helping with its security and reaping those rewards. Now, Beam for me is a great project. It's really a great project, and I do believe it's going to do very well. And these Beam nodes should perform long term and will help you actually dollar cost average even in the bear market. Beam is actually a great project. So if you want to buy any nodes, go ahead. The links are in the description down below, as well as all the other links you need, which I've mentioned in this video. And with that said, make sure you watch this video right here next. You're gonna really like this video. It's really important, so make sure you watch it. Oh, and like this video.